Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix error destination cannot be found on your parent folder on Google Drive on your iPhone. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you have Google Drive on your iPhone and you're running into an error that says error destination parent folder can't be found. How do you actually go ahead about fixing that? Now, I ran into this issue myself, and what I was trying to do was that I was trying to upload video files straight onto the Google Drive from my iPhone, but I was running into an error. So in order to fix that error, all I did was I actually just reset the Google Drive app, and then I actually went ahead and reopened it back up. And so what I did next was that I went back to the folder I was trying to upload videos to, and then clicked on upload file, and then clicked on photos and videos. And then I went ahead and selected the videos, and it actually fixed the error. So essentially what I just did was that I just reset the app, and then clicked on upload, and then clicked on upload again. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and fix error destination parent folder cannot be found on Google Drive on your iPhone. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.